Number 4. The Brita large water filter offers a practical and convenient solution for ensuring access to clean and great-tasting water on a daily basis. With its change filter indicator, users can easily monitor and maintain the filter's effectiveness, providing peace of mind and optimal performance. The product dimensions of 10.95 L into 10.83, W into 6.06 H, along with a lightweight item weight of 1.04 kilograms, make it suitable for various spaces and easy to handle. Its freestanding installation type adds to the user-friendly nature of the product, delivering hassle-free setup and flexibility. In summary, the Brita large water filter, also known as the Brita Everyday model, combines quality filtration with user-focused features to elevate the standard of drinking water. Its reliable functionality and practical design make it a valuable addition to any environment, ensuring access to refreshing, purified water.